I'm not feeling any anger. So at this point at junction, I have eaten more than I can chew. I'm proud yet. Okay. Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tati S. If this is your first time stopping by, you are very welcome. So today's video is somewhat really different. It's not something I've done on this channel before at all, but the reason behind this video actually is because I really want to test a new skill of makeup, not something I'm used to, not something I do normally, like something really different from my style. And I mean, when I say my style, I mean the black style, like the way black girls would do their makeup. I really wanted to do something different. So today we're going to try Scott Barnes makeup, the one he did on Tati. If you don't know who Scott Barnes is the makeup artist behind the JLo Glow. It's JLo's. You know JLo, yeah, is JLo's makeup artist. So he's the brain behind JLo's Beauty. So we're going to try and see the kind of techniques he uses that is completely different from ours, from what we're used to, from what we know. So basically that's what we're going to be doing today.
Use primer?
For what? I don't really.
What do you mean for what?
Okay guys, he says he doesn't use primer. So first thing he does is he takes concealer
with the dark and then I add the light. It's not about contouring on top of makeup. Sometimes it is, but not usually. So
yes. Tell me who sent you. But let's give this a try. Honestly, I want to give this a try. I want to see how this is going to come out and work out. So let's see. I don't have the exact makeup he's using, so we're going to switch to drugstore because I don't buy high-end products in like lighter shades. And to do the under eye, he says he's going to use like 3 to 4 shades lighter than the face to do the highlights before foundation. No primer, no moisture, nothing, like just your bare face and highlight. So I'll be using the e.l.f. 16-hour Camo Concealer and the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. So I'm going to use the two under my face. I'm using the hydrating one because the hydrating one kind of like, it gives you like this kind of underglow. I don't know how this is going to work out. Pray for me. I think I need that right now. Guys, I'll be honest with you guys, I have no clue of what I am doing.
Oh, this cat paw. Because she goes, look, it's like a cat paw. So anyway, what I like to do with it is just kind of blend it out.
It's blending out now with a flat concealer brush, but I don't have a flat concealer brush because I never use brushes for my concealer. So I'm just going to go in with this and let's see how this is going to work out. I don't have a clue.
Wow, oh my god, so good.
I feel like an Avon representative.
No, I'm not feeling any angle, so
it's because you want this to come forward. And I add the light. You have to remember, okay? Lifting.
Okay, he said lifting. It's my first lifting. He's going in with his contour now, and this is where he's contouring first. I really don't know the sense. She would have those done makeup for brown skin girls. So nice. It's contouring inside your cheek because it wants that part to disappear.
You named this look?
Yeah, it's called Snatural.
Okay, he named this look Snatural. You people, you want us to minimize our neck. At this point and junction, I have eaten more than I can chew. It's going in with the same contour, and it's just going to contour like his cheekbone normally, like we do on our foundation and makeup. Not on that. I don't know that one. Okay. I see some snatch going on. Okay. Now he wants us to minimize our forehead because the lightning is gonna hit the forehead. You guys know what I'm saying? Okay. Like this, so he said. So to follow our teacher, whatever we do. proud yet. Let me see the umbrella. So now to contour our nose, he said when we mess up with contour is we always drag it into our nose. So we have to take like this brush, this angled brush. You guys see it? Focus. Then you guys see this angled brush. So he wants us to take this angled brush. Then we'll just go like this. Okay, now. Did like my teacher asked me to do. Then you guys see the contour. Yeah. Next, he said the key to fuller lips is we contour the upper part of our lips. I don't think I need a fuller lips though, but like because our teacher said so, so let's just do it, okay? So it's going to take like your foundation color, and now it's going to transform me like my chest area. So let me drag this down so that you guys can see properly. I'm gonna show you my lips. I can't wait to see the end results. He wants us to take our foundation now and take like a little bit and use it like all over slightly. Nothing too serious, like you said. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is actually making sense now that we have like that we're using like little foundation to blend in. Guys, I can see what to say now. Like, not as bad as I thought. Okay. Okay. What next, boss?
I love cream. I think that cream works right.
Okay, so now he's talking about cream. He's talking about cream blush. But unfortunately, I don't have a cream blush because I don't use it. But we're gonna make it work. We're gonna use a lipstick that looks like a brush and it's cream. Pray for me. Can you see like? Okay, I think that was too much. It looks like I just got a blow on my cheek. Okay, you'd have a lot of use powder blush, Charlie.
Lick it. Yeah.
And I tried to do it.
Exactly, flick it. That's what he does. Like, flick it.
Whoa. And then they blink their eyes and the lids.
Okay, so now, so he wants us to highlight the under eyes again, but this time around he said just a little bit. So, just a little bit. Yes, so now I actually think I understand what he's trying to say and do, because now even the concealer and the foundation and the contour we did before that was really harsh, I really can see all of that. Like everything seems to blend in so seamlessly. So I kind of understand him. When a guru talks, a guru is talking. Guys, you know what? This guy is not even using a translucent powder. Like he's using normal powder, and I'm just going to take my MAC powder and I'm using. He doesn't even want us to do too much, like just dab. This bit looks cute. Behind the cheap people, like I like it. I have never ever done my lips before my brows before. So he wants us to do our lips before brows and even before shadows. Like, let's do it. Let's go. You didn't ask us to put gloss on, but I'm a gloss girl. Guys, this is where I think I'm going to have challenge, because I have never ever done my brows after my makeup before. I don't know how to do it. I don't know how this is going to work out. I'm done with my brows. I think I tried. I'm going to be using this my Die Hard Fan palette. This palette and me have been together since the 80s. So just wants us to do something really light actually. This is like the final product. This is what I came up with. I feel this is some bridal makeup, if there's anybody that is going to argue with me. And I don't even have setting spray on my face, like, because I'm not going anywhere. Should I set it? I don't think I want to. There's really no point. I just did this for you guys. So yeah, this is what I came up with. Like, I'm looking hella cute. I look cute, no doubt about that. Like, I'm so proud of myself. If anybody had told me like I could use that technique to like come up with this, like all of this. Look at the way I'm glowing. Like, thank you, Scott Bands, for like the makeup tips. Would I be wearing this every day? Nope. But whenever I have like good occasions to go to, that my plan is to go dress or to look better than the owner of who is doing something, yeah, I'm gonna do this. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you liked it. I am not saying you guys should start doing your makeup like this. I just wanted to test my technique. I wanted to test my style. I wanted to test my power trying a makeup that is not brown friendly from scratch. Do you guys get what I'm saying? But honestly, it really looks good. I'll be honest with you guys, and you guys, let me know what you think in the comment section below, because this is cute. I'll see you guys on Sunday. Thank you guys for staying tuned and for always coming back to watch my video. I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you.